steamed
My guys,
cabbage.
so here what happening now. So I just came in from work, right? And I'm so hungry, but I don't know what to cook. There always be something, right? You be like, should I cook chicken? Should I fry some fish? Should I make some pork, some jerk chicken, or some oxtail, or whatever? Or should I just go and buy some fast food? However, I'm here and I said, I'm hungry. I don't know what to cook. I don't want to season no meat. But I remember that I have two cabbage in the refrigerator. I have some saltfish, and I'm trying to figure out, should I do cabbage with saltfish or should I just do some steamed cabbage? So anyway, I decided I'm gonna do some steamed cabbage. And guys, my cabbage, I should have do it everything from start and thing, but I already cut my cabbage. I already sort it in the right way how it's supposed to be done. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna make myself some steamed cabbage. No, ain't nothing wrong with that. Because sometimes we eat too much meat, man. We eat too much chicken, too much pork, too much oxtail, too much goat meat and all those stuff. Sometimes you have to just eat some vegetable, you know what I'm saying? So first thing that I have here, I got some organic extra virgin olive oil, right? I'm gonna pour a little bit in this pot right here. Not a whole lot, just enough, just enough to get the magic started. I know I just turned on the stove, but I'm telling you, this thing is really quick, and I have it, all the way up. So how I like my steamed cabbage, right? I like to put my seasoning first and have everything sauteed down in the bottom of the pot, right? So I have some like a stalk of scallion here. No, I got some sweet pepper. I got some onion. I like tomato in my steamed cabbage too. I like it. I just don't know why, right? So I got all these stuff in my cabbage, in my that I want to get sort out, and I also have some Scotch bonnet pepper that I cut them up real nice and thick, so nobody won't get burned. I also have some garlic, pepper garlic, but I cut them real fine in the pot, so all the garlics here. So these are just some of the seasoning that I have, in the for my steamed cabbage, right? So I'll be pushing up my button, baby. Yeah, I like my seasoning, real salted out in the bottom of the pot. I might need to, tip a little more oil in this. And you don't have to use this oil. You can use just regular cooking oil if you want to. But I like to use all these stuff. So I have here, everything now is sorted out. I got some black pepper. I don't have like the other one that you grind and stuff like that, but I have this real thick one that here I'm gonna just use to sort it out. So I'm just making this just simmer for a little bit, you know? Get what I'm saying? And I will show you what's going on when I'm done. Watch out now. Back again with round two. So guys, now I have my all my seasoning, you know, sorted. You know, you can see it's real sorted. Now what I'm gonna do here, and the only thing that I'm really missing is, you know, probably a little bit of more carrot and all those other ingredients, but I don't have it right here, so I just have to do what I, you know, compromise with, you know, other stuff. So now I'm gonna add my cabbage. And I'm just gonna give it a little bit of stir, you know. And guys, also I like to tip a little bit of black peppers and, you know, stuff like that all over the cabbage too, you know, just to give it, you know, like an extra flavor, you know. There's something about black pepper when you're cooking. I like my cabbage crunchy. I don't like my cabbage very soft like, you know, some people do. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna cut this pot cover on, and I'm gonna have it simmer down. You live in your heart, so simmer down. Simmer down, you know. And I'm gonna make sure I turn my stove down, you know, a little bit so it can take its time to steam. That's what we call steam cabbage. All right. Love you guys. Cabbage is steaming, but everybody who make steamed cabbage always do different stuff. I like to add my water just a little bit after, you know, my cabbage and the seasoning sorted in each other. So I add my little bit of water here, not much, just a small amount, like I'll say a half a cup or so, and I just leave it there. Now I put my lid back on and leave my pot there and let it simmer down. So this is how I love my steamed cabbage. Everybody love their, you know, like to do different stuff with their steamed cabbage, but this is the color that I like in my steamed cabbage when I'm cooking this for myself. Now if I'm like cooking, you know, for, you know, something else or to sell, I would not use, you know, a lot of, you know, this flavor and or spice, because I know that, you know, everybody cannot handle the spice and cannot handle a lot of flavor. But this is how I love my steamed cabbage. So there you have it, guys. Try it and tell me how it tastes.